Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford Expedition Max King Ranch. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Stay. Tons of room out back, all the King Ranch logos. So this one has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, King Ranch obviously, 10-speed automatic, Star White over Ebony, total price of $80,875. This one's pretty much as fully loaded as you can get. It's very high option. The Max is of course the biggest Expedition you get. It's also I think the biggest Ford SUV. Yeah, it is. This is the Suburban competitor. I like it better than the Suburban, but don't tell Suburban that. All different drive modes. Let's go for a drive. When I was filming, I think the F-150 King Ranch, I wasn't sure if you could get King Ranch on the Expedition. This answers my question now, doesn't it? Oh, what a machine. So, my biggest complaint with the Suburban and the Tahoe is that they don't feel all that luxurious for the price. This feels luxurious. What am I talking about when I say that? I'm saying that the materials in the Tahoe and Suburban are not fit for the price point. They're just not. This, all the leather feels great. Even if it's not real leather, I can't look at it, feel it, and instantly know that. Another big difference I've found with every single King Ranch is when you sit inside, it smells like a leather store. So like when you're going to buy a new wallet or purse or whatever, you know, when you walk into that leather shop and that smell and you're just like, you know it's genuine leather, that's the smell you get here. The exact same smell. And it really makes this experience so much nicer. Especially when you're spending $80,000 on an SUV, you want it to be special. And this one very much is. One thing the Tahoe and Suburban have are standard V8s. You can get a Duramax, but V8 is your big option. Honestly, I don't think you can get the Coyote in this. Wish you could. over the bumps. No issue. Honestly, really, really smooth. Especially for being based on a truck platform. There we go. That's always a fun game. Well, no, it's not fun when you're in $80,000 SUV. That's impressive. 506 miles to empty. And that's with it just idling, driving around town. Highway miles, this thing could probably do 600 miles on a tank. That is impressive. Just take the speed bump at 15. It's not bad. Those ventilated seats are amazing. Do the off camber. Not a lot of vehicles are happy about that. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.